Today we are going to learn how to reset the password in Kali Linux. Now restart your Kali, then open Advanced Options using arrow keys and open the second option and enter E letter. Now you can see a terminal box was opened. Then move down, you can see the Linux. Here you can see RO and make it as RW. Now write init equals to bin bash and click F10 key. Now you can see a black terminal. And enter passwd and click enter button. Now enter your password. And reboot it. For reboot, enter reboot F. In this way we can reset the password in Kali Linux. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates and follow my page Instagram. Link is in description.